Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the CV Dashcam. Oh yeah, this is the car front 4K camera system with a 1.5-inch IPS display and a 5G Wi-Fi and 64GB card to storage and transport data with or to your smartphone. 360 degrees rotatable mini dashcam. This car camera with WDR night vision power mode comes in a 24/7 parking monitoring if you buy the separate power supply. A G-sensor, loop recording, 170 degrees wide angle. This is the CV C200. This mini dashcam with only 1.41 to 2.71 inches in size. This car camera combines a 170-degree wide angle and a flexible 360 degrees rotation function. It can be mounted discreetly behind the rear view mirror and capture 4 lanes without blind spots. One of the smallest dashcams at the front with a full rotation function on the market. That's possible with that device. We have here a dash cam or dashboard camera. This also known as a car digital video recording system, a driving recorder, or event data recorder, an EDR. This is an onboard camera that continuously records the view through a vehicle front windscreen and sometimes rear or other windows. Some dashcams include a camera to record the interior of the car and 360 degrees inside cameras, usually in a ball form, and can be automatically send pictures and video using 4G, for example. This here comes with a 360 degrees portability. That means you can rotate the lenses to the interior and make a selfie with that, if you like it. EDRs are some dashcams or record acceleration and deceleration, G-force, speed, steering angle, GPS data, voltage and power source, vehicle electrical net, etc. Here you can make this with a stamp of date, time, and of course with a stamp that there can be an G-sensor possibilities that you have a traffic jam or something else, an accident or something else, and it will be recorded and you can see this what's happened before. A wide angle 130 or 170 like here degrees front camera may be attached to the interior windscreen, to the rear view mirror, or to the top of the dashboard by suction cups or adhesive tape mount. In this case, it's a surface tape mount on the front glass. A rear camera is usually mounted in the rear window on the registration plate with RCA video and output of the display on the monitor screen. In this case here, that camera system is only for the front side. Of course, it's possible to get this on the rear side attached too, but you will need a power supply, a power source with a 12-volt or a 5-volt USB-C cable. The resolution will determine the overall high quality of the video. On the Macs are Full HD or 1080p is the standard of the dash cams. Dash cameras may have 1080p, commonly of the Chinese dash cams 144 TP or higher definition for a front camera and 720p for a back camera. Here it comes. This is 4K. That means you have a bigger resolution here with a 4K camera system. It captures critical details such as a license plate and a film-proof 4K resolution of our dash cam. The integrated 1.5-inch IPS display allows crystal clear live playback without a smartphone. Simply turn the lens to check the shooting angle on the spot. WDR technology keeps the exposure perfect balance in the bright sunlight or tunnel passages. And 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and app control, as you can see. We control our dashcam auto front via high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi network via the app. We transfer live images. We download recording in seconds or adjust the settings directly on our smartphone. If you have props with the data transport, you should disable the VPN and CarPlay Android Auto for an optimal connection stability. And we can secure our vehicle around the clock using energy-saving time-lapse mode or shock-activated G-sensor recording. Of course, the hardwire kit is required for that. The scoop of delivery comes with a 64GB memory card. No separate accessories needed for this dash camera system. Loop recording automatically manages the storage, but we can expand it up to 256GB, ideal for long trips. When the memory is full, your recording automatically overwrites the oldest files. The G-sensor immediately detects collisions or sudden vibrations and secures the recording. Even critical videos remain automatically productive during the loop recording. And we have an aperture of 2.0. This optimizes the night vision, capture clear detail even in the dark or rain weather conditions. Physically secure recording while driving or in parking mode with an emergency button. Critical environments protection for this dash cam. And it's made of durable aluminum housing. This withstands the temperatures from -20°C up to 70 plus. And vibrations. The screen dims automatically after 30 seconds or 1 minute or 3 minutes for trouble-free use of our dashcam car in the dark. And with a complete assembly kit, the installation is quick and easy. You see, in this GLA by Mercedes, it was easy to operate the cable to the central console and get this by the surface tape. A surface tape comes with a little glue soft area and you can attach it to your front shield. And then the CV dashcam for the car front in 4K with 1.5-inch IPS display delivers a good image while we're driving with our car. We can use a Wi-Fi network to see this on our smartphone and app. We easily pair it each other and then we have fun with that. We can make a drive, we can see interior and the front of the car as we need it. And the G-sensor shoots if it is necessary. And we have loop recording. Wide angle, this is the CVC 200 dashcam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.